Hello friends, we are here at Tech Baaz and today I am going to show you how you can use the features of the latest Android P in your smartphone. Here I have Nokia 6 which is currently running on Android Oreo, but I will show you how you can easily customize it to behave like Android P. You can also do it in any other smartphone that's running Android as well. So let's get started. We need some apps that will let us customize our phone just like Android P. I will leave a link in the description for every app that I will use in this video. First of all, we need Pixel Launcher. You just have to install it and make it your default launcher. Launch Pixel Launcher and then you will see that your phone is something like Android P. But that's not it. We are going to add some features as well. The second app that we need is Cornerfly. Open the app and give usage access to this app. We use Cornerfly to make corners of our screen round, as it's a nice touch that you can give to your phone. Another feature that we are going to add is Always On AMOLED display. For this app also, you'll need to give it some permissions that it needs to work on. Allow all these permissions in order to use it. Then you will be taken to the main app. There you have to turn on enable to enable the always on display. This display will help you to keep the screen on for checking time and date. If you press the power button, then you still will be able to see the display. You can also change its brightness. The third app that we are going to use is a volume slider app. For that, you have to download the volume slider app and also give app permissions to this app. By this app, we can get the volume slider just like Android P. But in this, you will not be able to use the volume slider like Android P if you press the volume button. Instead, you will need to change the volume using the buttons given in the notification bar. You can set the ring volume, media volume and alarm volume using this. You can always get a nice wallpaper. You can get the Pixel Live wallpaper if you like. That's it, you can now enjoy the look and feel of the latest Android P. Thanks for watching and do subscribe my channel to never miss an update. You can also share this video with your friends if you think that your friends will also enjoy Android P. Thank you.